के वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स किए थे और आज हम डिवीजन के वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे। ठीक है, तो चलो चालू करते हैं। डिवीजन हमें करना आता है कि डिवीजन हम कैसे करते हैं। ठीक है, दो नंबर्स को कैसे डिवाइड करते हैं वो हमें अच्छे से पता है। तो चलो अब यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम से शुरू करते हैं। मीनवाइल अगर आपको कोई डाउट्स हैं, मतलब कि आपके चैप्टर के कोई डाउट्स हैं डिवीजन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में, तो वो भी आप मुझे बता सकते हो। ठीक है, तो चलो यहाँ पर 5 क्वेश्चंस हैं, एक एक करके चालू करते हैं। एक सबसे पहला वाला क्वेश्चन मैं आपको करके दिखा रही हूँ। ठीक है, अभी कोई भी सॉल्व नहीं करेगा। सबसे पहला वाला क्वेश्चन मैं करके दिखा रही हूँ, उसके बाद आप सॉल्व करोगे। ठीक है, देखो सबका ध्यान स्क्रीन के ऊपर। सारा हैज 36 एप्पल्स। कितने एप्पल्स हैं उसके पास? 36 एप्पल्स हैं। और 36 एप्पल्स को उसको क्या करना है? वांट्स टू डिवाइड देम इक्वली अमंग 4 फ्रेंड्स। ठीक है, कितने फ्रेंड्स में? 4 फ्रेंड्स में उसको इक्वली उसको डिवाइड करना है। ठीक है, अब वो पूछे कि एक फ्रेंड को कितने एप्पल मिलेंगे। ठीक है, तो मतलब एक फ्रेंड के पास कितने एप्पल आएंगे। तो सबसे पहले तो ये लिखना होगा अपने को कि नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स विद सारा, मतलब सारा के पास कितने एप्पल्स थे? 36। ठीक है, अब उसको शी हैज टू डिवाइड it in 4 friends. In how many friends? In 4 friends. ठीक है, then number of apple for each friend, तो हो जाएगा what we will do, we will divide, है ना, 36 divided by 4। ठीक है, 36 divided by 4 करेंगे, जब हम ये करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर कितना आ जाएगा? 9। ठीक है, तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर क्या होगा? ईच फ्रेंड will get 9 apples। ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है। ठीक है, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सारा वाला। अब सेकंड क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व करो। A baker made 48 cookies. If he packs them into boxes with 6 cookies each, how many boxes does he need? पूरा मुझे आप स्टेटमेंट लिख के बताओगे कि क्या क्या स्टेटमेंट्स आएंगे इसमें। पवित्र कर रहे हो?
Answer is 8.
यस बच्चे,
First answer.
And the answer is the baker needs 8 boxes.
the baker needs 8 boxes. Yes, so हाँ, so can you tell me the sentences that you framed?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the sentences that you framed from the question? First will be number of cookies that the baker has. That will be
6.
nahi, number of cookies
The
that the
baker,
baker has.
the number of cookies the baker makes 48.
Yes,
48.
yes, so that will be 48. And then how many he has to pack them in? How many boxes? 6 boxes. Sorry, he has to pack. Sorry, just a minute. He packs how many cookies in one box? He has 48 cookies and he packs 6 cookies in one box. So how many cookies will the baker need? Sorry, how many boxes will the baker need? 48 by 6, which will be 8 boxes. Correct. Let's move to next one. Navisha, hi Navisha. Hi bache. So we are today doing word problems for division. Okay. We are on the third question right now.
Each student will get 7 pencils.
Yes. Let's come to the third question. So, how many pencils are there?
Ma'am,
Yes, bache.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
bache.
56 pencils.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
can I tell the third one?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, the the total number of pencils that we equally shared among to 8 children is 7.
Okay. देखो, आप बोल रहे हो total number of pencils that will be equally shared. Total number of pencils 56 है बच्चे. 7 will be the number of pencils that each student will get. Okay. So the
Yes,
total
ma'am.
number of pencils are.
And ma'am, and the statements are how many pencils uh, to equally
Mhm.
56 and how many pencils shared equally among two students.
Okay. So see, the statements here will be number of pencils. First of all, how many pencils do we have? And how many students
7
do we
pencils.
and how many students do we have to divide it in?
Ma'am, 8.
8 students, right? So each student will get how many pencils?
Ma'am, each student will get 7 pencils.
56 by 8, which becomes 7. Okay. So each student will get 7 pencils. Please mute yourself when you are not sharing the answers. Please mute yourself. Okay. Let's come to the fourth one. John has 72 marbles. He puts them in bags of 9 marbles each. How many bags can he fill?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, John can fill 8 bags.
Okay. Can you tell me also the statements that you wrote?
Yes, ma'am. The statement is the marbles John has is equal to 72
Mm-hmm.
and how how many how many
Number of
how many
marbles he
bar
puts in each
how
bag
many
is equal to
marbles
9.
is equal to 9
Okay.
and
Ha.
and then
Then
uh,
how many bags
each
can he
day
fill? 72 divided by 9.
72 divided by 9 is equal to John can fill 8 bags.
8 bags of 9 marbles each. Okay. Perfect. Let's move to the next one.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Pavit?
Ma'am, a farmer has dash oranges 60. He wants he and how many oranges he wants to pack 10 and how many in total how many oranges in total how many bags he needed.
Mm-hmm.
So we so the answer will be 6.
6. Okay. So here we will be framing sentences like a farmer has 60 oranges. So number of oranges. Okay, Pavel? Number of oranges that the farmer has. So that will be 60. Okay. Then he packs 10 oranges in each bag. Okay, then number of bags needed. That will be
Okay, ma'am.
60 by 10, which will give you 6. Okay. तो देखो
Okay, ma'am.
यहाँ पर जब भी आपको डिवीजन में वर्ड प्रॉब्लम आएंगे ना, आपको 2 नंबर दिया होगा, ठीक है, और उस नंबर के स्टेटमेंट को आपको पहले बनाना होगा, उसके बाद आपको डिवीजन करके दिखाना है, ठीक है। तो पहले आप देखो कि पहला वाला जो नंबर है वो क्या है। जैसे पहले क्वेश्चन में पहला वाला जो नंबर है वो है नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में 48 जो है वो है नंबर ऑफ कुकीज। फिर थर्ड क्वेश्चन में 56 जो है वो नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स, ठीक है। तो यू कैन मेंशन that number of pencils, number of marbles, number of apples, इस तरह से number of oranges, ठीक है। This will be your first statement. Second वाला होगा आपके बाद में जो आपको information दी हुई है कि divides them equally among 4 friends. So number of friends he divides them equally. या फिर if he packs them into boxes with 6 cookies, so number of cookies he puts in each box, that will be 6. ठीक है। So you have to mention 2 sentences first for each of the numbers given, and then in the third sentence you will find the answer. Okay, let's move to next set of questions. Chalo, let's try solving them.
One. One.
Yes, bache, tell me.
I am not able to understand first question.
No worries, we'll talk. We'll see. So a school has 90 students divided into 5 classes. Okay, which means एक school है जिसमें 90 students हैं, और ये जो 90 students हैं वो 5 classes में divided हैं, ठीक है। अब ये पूछा है how many students are there in each class, हर एक क्लास में कितने बच्चे हैं, ये पूछा है आपसे।
Okay, ma'am.
ईच क्लास में कितने बच्चे हैं ये पूछा है आपसे। तो पहला आपका सेंटेंस होगा कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स so that will be 90. They are divided into 5 classes. Number of classes that will be 5. Now number of students, how many students are there in each class, इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे, number of students in each class. So that will be 90 by 5. Okay. Now when you divide 90 by 5.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, beta.
A school has 90 students that have divided into 5 classes. So we have to divide 90 divided by 5, that is 18. Hence, there are 18 students in 5 classes.
Perfect. Very good. Very well done, bache. So there are 18 students in 5 classes. So this is exactly how you have to write the answer in your exam. Let's solve the second one.
Okay, ma'am.
Navisha, are you solving the questions? सोना गोयत, बच्चे आपका क्या नाम है? सोना गोयत की आईडी से जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है।
Yes, ma'am.
क्या नाम है आपका?
Ma'am, Anaya Shivaj.
शिवांश?
No, ma'am, Anaya.
अनाया, ओके अनाया। सो अनाया, योर मॉम वाज टेलिंग आपको डिवीजन में कुछ डाउट्स हैं, आपको जो भी डाउट्स हैं आप पूछ लेना यहाँ पर, ठीक है?
Ma'am, can I tell?
यस यस बच्चे।
There are 80 chairs to be arranged in 10 rows. So we have to divide 80 divided by 10. 8. So there are 8 chairs in each row.
Perfect, perfect, very good. So here, how many chairs were there originally? Number of chairs were 80. And they are to be arranged number of rows. How many rows are there? 10. So each row will have 80 divided by 10, which is 8 chairs. Let's solve the next one. Lisa has 42 candles and wants to give them equally to her 7 friends. How many candles will each friend get? Yes, Sejal?
Ma'am, number of candles that Lisa has 42.
Very good.
Number of friends she wanted to give equally is 7.
Very good.
Number of candles will each friend get? Question mark.
Very
So
good.
to find the total to find to to find a total that she can give to each friend, we will divide 42 by 7.
Perfect. Perfect. So that will be 42 divided by 7 will be?
Statement. Ma'am, can I tell?
Let
Ma'am,
Sejal try.
6.
Yes, absolutely. Very good, Sejal. So yes. So Lisa will be giving 6 candies to each of her friend. Very good. Let's try the next one.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, bache, go ahead. A zoo
Ma'am,
has, yes,
the question is a
yes.
zoo has 24 monkeys that need to be placed in 6 cages. How many monkeys will be in each cage? So we will write how many number of monkeys in a zoo, 24. Then number of cages, 6. and and total, so we will write in total 7. So we write 6 divided by 24 equals
No, no, no,
4.
no, 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 बच्चे, no, 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 no. थोड़ी सी गलती हुई, देखो. नंबर ऑफ monkeys in the zoo करेक्ट है 24. नंबर ऑफ केजेस 6 करेक्ट है, ठीक है. उसके बाद नंबर ऑफ monkeys in each cage, ठीक है. Number of monkeys in each cage, and that will be 24 by 6, not 6 by 24. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So 24 by 6 will be 4. Okay. So final answer will be there will be 4 monkeys in each cage. Doubt यस
मैम
मौसमा, क्वेश्चन
डिवीजन
नंबर 4 पे डाउट है आपको?
यस मैम।
उसमें मैम
हाँ, मौसमा को डाउट है, कोई बात नहीं, इसको एक बार दोबारा से करते हैं। देखो मौसमा, यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, बोला जा रहा है अ जू हैज 24 मंकीज, ठीक है। सबसे पहले तो एक जू में 24 बंदर हैं, ठीक है। एंड उनको 6 केजेस में प्लेस करना है। 6 केजेस मतलब केजेस जो जिसके अंदर जानवरों को रखते हैं जू में, उसको हम केजेस कहते हैं। तो हाउ मेनी मंकीज विल बी इन ईच केज, मतलब एक केज में एक केज के अंदर कितने बंदर आएंगे, ये आपको बताना है, ठीक है। तो 24 मंकीज हैं और 6 केज हैं, ठीक है। 6 केजेस हैं। अब ये 24 इसमें इक्वली डिवाइड होंगे 6 केजेस में, ठीक है। 24 6 केजेस में इक्वली डिवाइड हो जाएंगे। तो फिर कैसे करना होगा, 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 6, ठीक है, जो हो जाएगा 4। तो इसका मतलब है हर एक केज में 4 मंकीज होंगे। ओके मौसमा, समझ में आया?
यस मैम।
ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन। 63
उसमें मैम
यस पवित्र, पवित्र यस।
मैम मैम कैन आई टेल
क्वेश्चन नंबर
मैम
5।
कैन आई टेल मैम
ओके बताओ।
Ma'am, may I?
मैम there are the question is there are 63 books to be placed equally on 9 shelves. How many books will be on each shelf? So ma'am, first will be total number of books 63, number of shelves 9, and number number of books placed placed in the shelves will be 7. So we will divide 63 into 9.
63 into 9 or 63 by 9?
63 by 9.
63 by 9, right. So there are total 63 books and they have to be placed equally on 9 shelves. Shelves का मतलब होता है जहाँ पर आप बुक्स को रखते हो, अलमारी जैसे होती है, ठीक है, वहां पर उसको हम
Ma'am,
shelves कहते हैं।
ma'am, they are in the library.
Yes, yes. They are in the library. So 63 divided by 9, which will be 7. So each shelf will have 7 books. Chalo. Now
Yes,
Navnita
sir.
wants to answer. So
Can I
we'll
tell?
yes, bache, we will solve more questions. There
Ma'am,
are
my
more
name is
questions.
Leona.
Noina, sorry, Noina, right? Yeah. Just a minute.
Leona.
Leona, sorry, so sorry
Ma'am, my
about.
name is Leona.
Yeah, yeah. So, Leona wants to answer. So, here we have another set of 5 more questions. Let's solve them.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Bache.
can I tell?
Yes, yes, Leona, tell me.
A group of 35 people on a trip in 5 cars. So, we have to divide 35 by 5. 7. So, there are 7 cars each.
Mm-hmm.
for the people.
Great, very good, very good. So in question number 1, there are 35 people in the group and they are going on a trip and there are 5 cars. So we have been asked that how many people will be there in each car. So we will do 35 by 5, which will be 7. So each car will have 7 people. Sure. Let's move to the next one. There are 48 balloons. Someone has raised their hand. Let me check. Yes, Leona.
No.
Okay, no worries.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please, Leona, tell me.
There are 43 balloons that need to be shared equally among
Leona, there are
6 children.
48 balloons, but not 43. There are 48 balloons.
I have said 48.
Oh, okay. Then fine. I heard 43. Sorry. Tell me.
There are 48 balloons that need to be shared equally among 6 children. So we have to divide 48 by 6. That is 8. So 8 children. So 8 children get equal. So 8 children get each balloon.
Okay. It's absolutely correct. Just the last sentence, Leona, it will be each children get 8 balloons. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Let's move to the next one. Third question. A classroom has 32 desks. If the teacher divides the desk into 4 equal groups, how many desks will be in each group? Navisha, are you not able to see the questions?
No, ma'am.
ओपन द कॉल. देखो अब जहाँ पर आपने कॉल ज्वाइन करी है वहां पर देखो सबको स्क्रीन दिख रही है. बाकी सबको स्क्रीन दिख रही है.
Yes, ma'am.
नवीशा
Yes,
देखो
ma'am.
कॉल जहाँ पर
Yes, ma'am.
कॉल
Yes,
जहाँ.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. कॉल जहाँ पर आपने ज्वाइन की ना नवीशा वहां पर चेक करो स्क्रीन पे क्वेश्चंस हैं. ओके. नवीशा क्वेश्चंस दिख रहे हैं आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So we are in the third question. A classroom has 32 desks.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Rache, go ahead.
Ma'am, which question?
Question number 3.
Okay, ma'am. The question is a classroom has 32 desks. If the teacher divides the desks into 4 equal groups, how many desks will be each group? Ma'am, this will be a number of desks 32 and group equal groups. will be 4 will be 4 and and the desk divide into equal 4 groups will be 8.
Okay. So yes, the number of desks will be 32. Teacher is dividing the desk into how many groups? Into 4 groups. Okay.
So the
So
answer will be 8.
yes. So each group will have 32 by 4, which is 8 desks. Mausama, any doubt? मौसमा कोई डाउट है आपको?
हाँ मैम, मुझे डाउट नहीं है, मुझे क्वेश्चन दिखाई दे रहा है।
अभी
नहीं।
दिख रहा है? आप जहाँ पर आप कॉल चल रही है ना बच्चे, वो वाली स्क्रीन पे आप आओ तो आपको स्क्रीन दिखेगा, उसमें क्वेश्चंस हैं। जहाँ से आप म्यूट अनम्यूट कर रहे हो ना, वहाँ उस वाली स्क्रीन पे आओ।
Ma'am, can I tell the next question?
मैम अभी दिखाई दे रहा है।
ओके, हाँ बच्चे बताओ। Mark bought 81 stickers. He divides them equally amongst his 9 friends. How many stickers does each friend get? Go ahead, Leona.
Mark bought 81 stickers. He divides them equally among his 9 friends. So, he has to divide 81 by 9. That is 9.
Very good.
So, 9 stickers will give to each friend. That Mark wanted to give.
Perfect. Perfect. So each friend will get 81 divided by 9, which is equal to 9 stickers. Okay. Perfect. Very good. Next one. A farmer has 54 chickens and wants to put them into 6 equal groups. How many chickens will be in each group?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please go ahead.
A farmer has 54 chickens and wants to put them into 6 equal groups. So the farmer has to divide 54 by 6. That is 9. So
Perfect.
there are 9 chickens in each group.
Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely correct. So here there are 54 chickens and he wants to put them in 6 equal groups. So it will be 54 divided by 6, which will be 9. Okay. So which means that there will be 9 chickens in each group. Yes, Masma, your answer is correct. 9 chickens in each group. Let's move to the next set of questions.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, the question is a team of 64 players is divided equally into 8 teams. How many players are on each team? So, ma'am, the first statement will be players, number of
We are doing the
players will
first
be
question.
64.
Pavit, we are doing the first question now. There are 40 pieces of candy to be divided equally among 8 kids. How many pieces will each kid get? You are on the fourth question. We are doing the first question. पहले फर्स्ट का आंसर बताओ क्या होगा?
Ma'am, the first ka, ma'am, there are
Yes.
ma'am, number of pieces of candy will be 40.
Hmm.
Each divided, each kid,
Number of students
uh,
will be 8.
number
Number
of
of kids will be 8.
number of kids will
Each
be
kid
8.
get to
The kids
each kid get 9.
Each will get 40 divided by 5, which will be,
will get
sorry, 40 divided
9.
by 8.
5.
40 divided by 8 is not 9, bache. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So each kid will get 5 pieces.
5.
मैम मैम मधु कुमारी ने मैम मैंने 5 बोला तो किसी और ने 9 बोला है.
कोई बात नहीं बच्चे. It's okay. Next one.
मैम
Can I
can I
tell?
tell?
Yes,
Ma'am,
second
can I
one.
tell?
Yes.
Garden has 28 flowers planted in 4 rows. So we have to divide 28 by 4. That is 7. So there are 7 flowers in each row.
Perfect. So, yes, there are total 28 flowers and they are planted in 4 rows. So, each row will have 28 by 4, which is equal to 7 flowers. Next one.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
And
Pavit.
the answer
Ma'am,
is 6.
Masma, let Pavit
a
attempt.
And the
bakery
answer
has
is
36.
Yeah. Bakery has,
Baker has
A
36
bake,
and the answer
cupcakes.
is 6.
Baker has 36
And the
cupcakes.
answer is 6.
bache, one person at a time. One person at a time.
He
Pavit.
put in the
a
box.
bake,
He put in the box cupcakes 6.
So, there are 36 cupcakes.
ma'am, a bakery
We
has,
need boxes where 6.
Okay. So, there are 36 cupcakes. Pavit, you want to attempt?
no ma'am, I will tell the next one.
Okay. So there are 36 cupcakes and he's putting 6 cupcakes in each box. So 36 divided by 6, which will be 6. So he will need 6 boxes. Yes, Pavit, the next one. A team of 64 players.
बोल रहे थे.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Pavit.
Ma'am, the question is a team of 64 players is divided equally into 8 teams. How many players are there on each team?
Hmm.
Ma'am, so the first statement will be number of players 64.
Hmm.
Teams that divided into dash 8,
Hmm.
and the last statement will be the number of players divided into each team equals, this will be 8.
Perfect. Perfect. Next one. There are 99 toys to be placed equally in 11 bins. Yes, Leona.
Can I come?
Yes, Leona. Go ahead.
99. There are 99 toys.
बच्चे मधु कुमारी बच्चे
They
बच्चे
are equally placed in 11 bins.
बच्चे Leona is
There
attempting
are
that
99
question. Let's give
toys.
her a chance.
There,
Yes, Leona, go ahead.
there are 90 toys will be in each bin is 9.
And the answer is 9.
Okay. So there are
And the answer
99 toys and there are 11 bins. So in each there will be 99 by 11, which is 9. Leona, we are coming to the next question. You attempt that one, okay?
9.
Okay, here's the
Okay,
next
ma'am.
question.
Ma'am, can can I tell?
Yes, बच्चे.
A teacher
People need to sit at
A
10
teacher has
tables.
84 crayons. She wants to
People
divide them
where
equally
sit
among
each
10
table
students.
is 10.
A teacher has 84 crayons. She wants to divide them equally among 12 students. How many crayons will each student get? So it will be 84 by 12, and that will be 7. So each student will get 7 crayons.
Ma'am,
Next one, a farmer has 64
Ma'am,
carrots.
ma'am, can I tell the next one?
Yes, he wants to place them in 8 equal rows. How many carrots will be in each row?
out.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Pavit, go ahead.
Ma'am, out.
Ma'am, the first statement will be number of carrots that farmer has 64, and the second statement will be number of rows he wanted to
Means
plant
the
planted
answer is
them in
64.
rows eight, and the the third statement will be number of carrots that has plant in the each row, so there will be 8 rows that plant in, so there will be 8 carrots plants in equal 8 rows.
Perfect, perfect, very good, Pavit. Masma,
Ma'am,
yes,
can
क्वेश्चन
I
नंबर 1 में डाउट है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, देखो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में. अ टीचर हैज 84 क्रेयॉन्स. उसके पास कितने क्रेयॉन्स है? 84 क्रेयॉन्स है. ठीक है, और उसको उन क्रेयॉन्स को 12 बच्चों में बांटना है. ठीक है, कितने बच्चों में बांटना है? 12 बच्चों में बांटना है. ठीक है, तो अब आपसे पूछा गया है कि हर एक बच्चे को कितने क्रेयॉन्स मिलेंगे. तो आप क्या करोगे? आप बस 84 डिवाइडेड बाय 12, क्योंकि 84 क्रेयॉन्स को बांटना है 12 बच्चों में, राइट. सो 84 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 एंड दैट विल बी 7. So each student will get 7 crayons. बेसिकली यहाँ पर बताया गया है कि टीचर के पास ओरिजिनली 84 थे और उसने उसको 12 बच्चों में बांटना है, तो तब वो कितने होंगे. ठीक है,
Ma'am, can I tell now?
yes, we are in the Emily wala question. So who is going to give me the answer of Emily wala question? Emily has 40 stickers.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can
Leona,
I tell?
Pavit,
ma'am,
let's give this chance to Leona. Pavit, you answer that.
Means answer is 8.
मधु कुमारी बच्चे, आप प्लीज
Ma'am,
हैंड रेज
after
करके
she
आंसर बताओ. ठीक है, आपका चांस आएगा तब प्लीज आंसर बताना. चलो लियोना, एमिली हैज 40 स्टिकर्स.
ma'am,
यस पवित.
excuse me, ma'am.
यस पवित.
Emily,
Ma'am, after Neona, can I tell?
यस 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 लियोना, गो हेड. एमिली हैज 40 स्टिकर्स.
Em- Emily has Emily has 40 stickers and she wants to give them equally to her 5 cousins. So she has to divide 40 by 5. That is 8. So each cousin of her will get 8
8 stickers. Perfect.
8 stickers.
Perfect, Liona. Let's come to the next one. Yes, Pavit, a pizza shop. This question.
Ma'am, now, ma'am, Next one, can I tell?
Yes, Pavit, go ahead.
Ma'am, a pizza the question is a pizza shop sold 56 slices of pizza. If each customer bought 8 slices, how many customers were there served? Ma'am, the first statement will be the number of slices will 56.
Hmm.
Each second will be the each customer bought s- slices 8, and
Hmm.
there will be 56 slices of each
Hmm.
each customer is 8. So there will be how many customers there will be? So the customers will be 7. So the 56 slices are so the 56 slices are sold to the 7 customers.
Perfect, perfect. Very good, Pavit. The last question, 100 people need to be seated at 10 tables. How many people will seat at each table?
Can I tell?
Yes, Masuma.
Can I tell? The answer is 10.
Okay. And what are the statements for the
People
question?
will sit at each table is 10.
Masuma, what are the statements for each question? Okay. So here, how many people are there? 100. And in how many tables they have to be seated? 10.
People
So it
will
will be
to
100 by 10.
sit at 10 tables.
Yes. So there will be 10 people
People
on each
needed to
table.
sit at 10 table 100. The seats are 10. Seats and table are 10. People will sit each table is called 10.
Okay. Great. So with this we come to the end of our division chapter practice. ठीक है? हमने आज कुछ कुछ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स किए डिवीजन से रिलेटेड एंड